Hey, everybody. What? Where are we? What is that? What's going on? Yeah, you're getting actually a little sneak peek of something new to come, which we're very, very excited about. You can kind of see my bangs peeking in. Hey, Angela. Hello, hello. How is everybody doing? Lisa, you want to take a seat?
I do.
It is time for our Tara's Must-Have. This is our garden party. Good morning, gang. Let us know if you can hear us okay. I kind of feel like it's far away.
Look, you're live.
Oh, hey, that's awesome. Lisa's going to have the comments over here.
I am.
Give us a thumbs up if you can hear us okay. Oh, sounds like it can.
Here, let's listen to how we sound. Tara, look.
Oh, perfect. But this is our Tara's Must-Have, our garden edition. And what's a must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you. That's pretty and practical and purposeful. Our sun catchers, which was our very first garden launch, completely sold out, where we shared with you hummingbirds and dragonflies and ladybugs. So thank you. Hopefully you're all enjoying those. I have ours peeking through our window. And it brings me much happiness.
Those.
I will tell you, my mom gave me the, where's mine? Didn't she?
That just might have happened.
That might have just happened. But anyway.
Sold out. You better get her one.
Lisa's like, I'm pretty sure I can get you one, Gail. I know where we hide them.
Like literally, I hide one of everything just for these occasions.
She's so good to me. Okay, so we have a set of 4 garden flags. And we have the garden stake to put them on. Want to get started?
I do.
Oh, yeah. Why is everybody like, what's that table?
Kind of.
Coming soon.
Kind of.
All right. Let's just talk about the first time ever. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The first time ever that we have done garden flags. And they're not just any old garden flag. These are actually machine washable. So they're a nice, bright, light fabric. And you're going to get 4 flags. How about I just stay here, you hold it? Is that okay?
Of course.
All right, so let's start here. They're reversible. They're reversible. So obviously the sentiment "Love Grows Here" is on both. Now, if you notice, there's your dragonfly, there's your hummingbird, there's your ladybug that you've been collecting, and then on the back or on the front, either way, they're reversible, so you never have to worry. You have that sentiment. So look how fun this is. And I love that this just slides right on. It couldn't be easier. Lisa's like, I even can do this with my left hand. So here's your first flag. That's your "Love Grows Here." Absolutely love this, okay? Then I'm going to swap that off.
Vanna's here to help.
And are you ready? Because this is, anyone who knows me knows this is so me. Not true, by the way. One of my absolute best friends, Amy, always says, oh yeah, Tara, you're so easy breezy. Look how fun this is. This is also one of the ones that is included in there. So you have that great palm detail, pop of the white, and then you have that great big easy breezy sentiment on the front. And then look at this, they're reversible, remember, so you just swap it out. So if you want more pattern, less words, that then applies down here, and you have that cute little easy breezy. A lot of times for me, flags are only one-sided, and then you kind of just see what's on the front kind of reversed on the back, and I wanted these to be reversible. And we actually just put it in one of our pots, but you of course could put it in the ground around your garden. We just thought it would be easier to show you this.
Pretty.
All right, wait, ready?
I just want to tell you.
Yes, tell me.
A lot of people are ordering 2 sets.
Oh, okay.
So just to clarify, you get 1 stand.
1 stand,
4
flags. I'm showing you now.
Yep.
If Matthew Angelo is on here and I have not seen it, he's going to write, I'm dead. But
He's not off the floor from Thursday.
here we go. Buckle up, because we have Frankie and Lil Mummy, and we have a sweet little trick or treat. So this is also included. So we gave you 4 seasons. The Love Grows Here and Easy Breezy can be your spring and summer. This is going to be your fall. Of course, it says trick or treat on the front. I gotta bring this up close because it's so ridiculous. There's Lil Mummy, there's Lil Frankie, there's all of the pops of your sweet little pattern. And then on the back or on the front, it says trick or treat. And there's the new icon, which, by the way, no one's seen yet.
Brand new.
We have a cat. And look at the cat has the pattern on its tail. I can't even stand how awesome this is. So if you wanted to put that on the stake, look how sweet that is with your trick or treat. Or, of course, just on the back, the big Frankie and Lil Mummy. I mean, come on. So that's going to be your fall. And then, I know.
I had to hold that. There you go.
I know.
Come
ready?
on, I can't.
Ready? Then, of course, we have all of our great characters, our Penny the Penguin, we have Wimbley, we have Gumdrop, and we have Mr. Bojingles that are all skiing, surfing, not true, skiing, what is it called?
Couch surfing?
Wait, what is it called? What's that?
Snowboarding.
Wow. Hey, it's summertime, okay? I'm past the snowboarding. I'm past all of that stuff. I'm like, they're surfing? No, they're not. No, they're not. But look how fun. The cardinal, of course, I do in honor of my dad. You have the beautiful snowflakes popping on the back. And then remember, take that off, reverse it if you want. And then you have more of happy holidays in your face, like so sweet. I am so in love and so obsessed with these. So where can you get them? Over at temp-tations.com. They're under $20. $19.95. You get the stake, which is a little over 3 feet tall.
That's correct.
And you get 4 of our flags. But here's the best part. We have additional flags if you're interested. If you want additional flags, they're $12.95 each, shipping and handling included. Where we did more of a traditional welcome fall. And then look at that. So like if Boofetti is, you want to swap out Boofetti and also fall, you can buy this one separately, $12.95. Shipping and handling included.
And you're going to see the text backwards because this is a Facebook Live.
Oh, thank you.
But if you go to our website, you'll see, of course, everything forward. Okay?
And then here is, of course, our adorable icon of spring, our bunny with the hoppy spring. And then on the back, hoppy spring. Look at that with the carrots. I can't. The carrots, the little eggs, the little bow, I'm obsessed. So $12.95 for the additional flags. So the additional flags come in the harvest, they come in the spring, and then last but, this is actually
I love this.
So sweet. Look at this.
I love that for Mother's Day.
Our romance, love lives here. I think this could be all year round,
Yep.
right? Love lives here. There's our romance pattern. And then look at this all inside here. You can see here all of the sweet little hearts that you see there, the pinks, the reds, all of that so sweet. So again, those are additional. So are we loving this or what?
I'm just laughing because I just got a note from Facebook. Do you want to cast this to your TV screen? Like, whose
What do you
screen
mean?
is it going to cast to? Because we're outside.
Yeah, I mean, hey, who knows?
Okay, so everyone's loving it, Tara. A couple questions,
Yes,
okay?
tell me.
How do you take care of these?
Perfect. So you can put these in your washing machine. And then what do we say, Lise? Tumble dry low,
Tumble dry
right?
low. Yep. I love how awesome the stitching is.
Yep.
It's big enough. Did you ever have a flag that you have to kind of like on the
Yeah,
stand?
no.
Super easy.
Yeah.
So it allows it to kind of wave with the wind.
Oh, it does.
Isn't that awesome?
Look at that. And that's what's nice. It's like a nice lightweight fabric, but durable. That, to Lisa's point, yes. Like there we go. We are getting some wind currently. Thank you.
Yes.
As if on cue.
There we go.
Wind,
Perfect.
wind,
It's
wind,
so
wind.
pretty.
And then look at this. I got to flip them around again.
So the additional flags are individual. They do not come with a stand.
Correct.
The Tara's must have with the 4 flags, that comes with one stand.
Yeah, that's 3 feet tall. I think it's about 36 inches. And then we're just showing you, obviously. So you have your trick or treat. This is not a choice. This is what comes in the set. You have your easy breezy.
I love that for summer.
I love this for summer.
Right.
Easy breezy, just like me.
Yes.
Easy breezy. Not true.
Mary Jo said, spill your guts about that table.
I don't know what what table. Love grows here. Love. Look at this. And then there are the 3 icons that we debuted in our sun catchers that you're going to see more and more of, even on the queue. And then where's my? Oh,
Right there.
and then here we have our happy holidays with all of our snowman and our gingerbread and Wimbley. And look at that on the back. And then, as Lisa mentioned, this is a Facebook Live, so they're probably showing them in reverse.
Yep.
But don't worry, they're not reversed. Also, everybody's ordering them, so here's the deal.
Totally.
You know, when we do new launches, we do not bring in a ton of these. So this is part of our garden party, our garden edition, much like our sun catchers, which completely sold out. This is such a fun way if you have pots and you want to put it, maybe you don't have a big space or a big yard, but you still want it. How fun to tuck this in a pot, even if you just kept it on your porch or on your, maybe you have an apartment and you have a little balcony. This would be so cute to go ahead and do that. So I love that. And under $20. Like, I think typically you would pay $20 just for the 4 flags without the stand, or now you get the stand and the 4 flags for under $20. Like, what?
And
where do I get these? As if on command. You can head over to temp-tations.com and you'll see there the set of 4 with the, of course, wire holder or the shepherd's hook. And then there's 3 additional seasons that you can pick up. The Love Lives Here, That's $12.95 shipping and handling included. The Hoppy Spring, again, $12.95 shipping and handling included. And then last but not least, the Welcome Fall shipping and handling included as well. All right, Lisa, what's everybody saying?
Everybody is in love.
Aww.
And of course, you know, if you love this as much as we do, we'll of course add in more,
more
colors
flags
and patterns and flags. This is just the launch, the debut.
And we would love to hear from you, like what you would like to see too.
Yeah,
right?
absolutely. Absolutely. Oh my gosh, everybody's loving them.
Good.
Everyone's saying they started ordering at 9:30. Love
you
that.
guys are so smart.
Yep. Because it really wasn't supposed to be available then. So lucky you
What
guys.
happened, Lisa? Again, you guys tell us before we know. So, I mean, who knows?
I
Look
love
how
that.
fun. I can't. It just makes me happy. It makes me smile. I love putting this in the ground. We actually put ours right in the little pot.
I love that.
Just to visually make it easier for you to see everything. But love it.
I think
Garden
it's
party.
amazing. I love it because I have a black thumb. So
What do you mean? She just has a black thumb.
I do. So that whole idea of planting flowers, I have to leave that to my husband. So I love
Who is very good, by the way.
the easy decor of this.
Like their yard is stunning. What they plant. Joe and I have like dueling tomato plants every year.
True
I'm like,
story.
what do you have? What'd you get? What'd you plant?
Hey, you know what's so cool? You know how some
me.
people can hang flags from their mailboxes?
Oh yeah. Would this be pretty around your mailbox? Look
So
at that.
pretty.
Love grows here. I just love this. And all of those great colors, the pops. This has more of that like garden fetty color palette, like a confetti that you see here. And I'm just gonna swap off and put on easy. Do you see how easy it is to put these on and off? Like
Totally.
I was painstaking about this because I've had flags in the past where, like to Lisa's point, you're like,
You can't get it on.
Yeah, no, exactly.
But I
This
like
just
how you
slides
did
right on.
the curly Q at the top so it won't blow off.
Yeah, it won't
You're
blow
just
off.
like so smart.
I mean, I take a concept and I dissect it until everyone wants to kill me. But then I
That's
think
the
it's perfect.
easy breezy flag. Right.
Right, there she is.
Easy breezy.
Easy
one.
breezy. And then quick reminder of our adorable happy holidays with all of our characters playing, having fun. Love this.
Look. This is just so much fun.
We've been so excited to share this with you. I can't even stand it. So
Did you
4
tell them
flags
we
with
didn't bring in a ton of these?
I did.
Okay.
Yeah, much like our sun catchers, which completely sold out.
Yes.
This is now part of that collection. So if you're following us along and you're collecting with us all of our garden pieces, you definitely don't want to miss out on this. So where can you get it? Head over to temp-tations.com. It's under $20. 4 flags and the shepherd's hook, and then if you want the 3 additional flags, they're $12.95 each, shipping and handling included.
I love this.
Did I forget anything?
No, I think
Okay.
we're great. No item number, you guys, because this is on temp-tations.com.
Yeah, head over there.
It's actually easy. We don't have to give you an item number.
Yeah,
I
you
want-
literally just go to our website and poof, there it is.
I want to order your table and chairs. How can I?
Stay tuned. Not for sale yet.
Can
But
we
you
give them a sneak
Yeah, why
peek?
don't you swing that flag out of the way? This is actually a brand new bistro set. You guys, this is a tiled top, a mosaic top. There's 2 different colors. The chairs match, and reminder, those pillows are coming. The chairs fold up and match as well, but an entire bistro set. I am so obsessed. We thought it would be fun to show you just how this entire collection is going to come about. All right, well, that's it. Happy Saturday, everybody. QVC, Lisa's gonna be on QVC 2. In a little while, so we're gonna go get ready for that, and hopefully you enjoy. Head over to temp-tations.com. We did not bring in a ton, and from all of your comments, it looks like we may be headed to another sellout, like we did with our sun catchers. So,
Matthew Angelo just got here.
oh wait, Matthew Angelo.
For you, my friend.
I said if he's here, he's just gonna say I'm dead. So I need to officially see the I'm dead when we put up Little Mommy and Frankie. And by the way, Matthew, here is the brand new icon, the brand new character that we're debuting in our Boofetti collection. And that is, oh yeah, the cat. I know I get so excited about these things. I can't. All right, you guys. So there is your quick look at our Tara's must-have. And thank you for joining us for our garden party.
Oh my gosh.
This was fun.
This was so much
All
fun.
right, let's go get ready.
Let's finish our
Okay.
coffee.
Yeah, I
Okay.
can't wait. Okay, bye guys.
Bye, everyone.